If you've always wanted to learn programming but didn't know where to start, I have an amazing suggestion for you. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a great course on Udemy that teaches you everything from the basics to project-based learning. The name of this course is Web Development for Beginners, Project-Based. It's fully project-based, perfect for beginners, and taught by professional instructors. The course is priced at €84, has around 700 students, and includes about 9 hours of content. But here's the good news, you can get this course for free. Just open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com. Make sure you enter the website address correctly. Once you're on the site, you'll see various courses in different categories, such as photography and video, personal development, development, IT and software, business. Our course is under the development category. There are many courses available here, but we're looking for our specific course. Now, click on Go to the course. As you can see, the course is available for free, and you can enroll in it right away. Keep in mind that the free offer is time limited, so don't miss out. For more free courses, make sure to visit couponcenter5.com and take advantage of the available opportunities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.